Hey, in this video I will show you how to find the NetSuite internal ID of a field. So when you see, for example, on this customer, you see the fields, what you see is the title, for example, number of employees, company name, etc. But behind the scene, NetSuite will use an internal ID to refer to these fields. And if I click on it, then I will see here field ID, company name. So you see it's very similar. It's not always that similar, especially for custom fields. But you can see, for example, there is no space. If I look at number of employees, you can see it's called cust entity 7. So you see it's very different. So this field ID is very useful when you integrate with third-party systems, for example, like Kolleno, where you need to know the field to know which field to pull into your templates, into your integration, to synchronize, etc. If you don't see this, you can go here on the top. You see I click on the little home, set preferences, and ensure that you have the option show internal IDs. So you see if I click on it, check this box to be able to view the internal IDs for fields and records in the NetSuite application. Web services and SuiteScript code need to reference internal IDs in order to uniquely identify objects. So it is recommended that you enable the preference whenever you are working with web services or SuiteScript, which is what I just explained in different words. So that's it. That's simple, and then you will have access and have full visibility on how NetSuite thinks in the background. Bye-bye.